Good morning. We're getting ready now. We're going to climb falls. Tapos may mga gawin kaming events doon, Cacao, soundscape, tapos falls nga, maligo. So, see you there. Bye. Hello. Hello kay Brian. Brianda. First time mo? Nice. Paano mo nalaman?
Sa Facebook.
Advertisement. Galing working talaga yung ads mo, no? May dalawa na, narinig ko. So, dito na kami sa drop-off point. Lisod po day pagsulod dire. Took us another 30 minutes para makadating dito. Rough road kayo ang dala na pa may river na agian, Duaca River. And yan, bless kayo. Purok 9, Cebulan.
Ayo, sige.
Hi, Cara.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Nagsama yung dalawa. Nag-birthday yan.
And magkakilala na yan sila daan. Mga naka-join na sila ng mga events before.
Yes.
Mag-form din, mag-form. Balanse kayo. Ako lang lalaki o ang tour guide. Poros mga sister. Sige, ma'am.
Makamang. Brother, basta ka dun, brother.
Yeah, sister.
Balance.
Balance. Let's just wait for Ian to new faces too. So, before we start, let us, pull everybody's attention in this space first. So we're gonna do that by doing a short meditation session. So inviting you all to please close your eyes. Sit still. Find your most comfortable position. Make sure your spine is straight. Down to your face, down to your neck, down to your head, your heart, going down to your lungs. Allow this light to go to your stomach, your pelvis, down to your feet, legs, down to the ground. Allow this light to encompass all of us here. Now, inviting you to imagine the faces of all the people that you love. Using your mind's eye, I invite you to see their happy faces, their smiling faces, all of them that are alive. When you look at their faces, how do you feel? How does your heart feel? Now hold on to that feeling while continue breathing in and out. Now inviting you to take a deep breath in and out through your mouth. Breathe in, out through your mouth. Breathe in, out through your mouth. Smile and open your eyes. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yourself by mentioning your name. Then what inspires you, and then what is your favorite thing in nature? and why. Tapos, I need you to pick a card here. Okay? So, who wants to go first? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, sige. Ikaw na.
Pinasa. Ngayon na mag-pick.
Later after.
Pero binigay mo na sa akin.
Hindi, hawakan mo lang muna.
Binigay mo na sa akin. Hello everybody, my name is May. Ano pa yung question?
Hi,
What
May.
inspires you yung favorite thing in nature?
What inspires me is that it reminds me how great God is. Like, yung creation. That's what it reminds me of. And my favorite thing is the flowers. I don't know. There's something about the Hibiscus rosa sinensis. That's my favorite flower. Gumamela. So pag nakikita ko yun, I'm just like, oh, gumamela. Pero every flower naman. I acknowledge every flower. Okay. Pero favorite ko yan. Okay. So that's it. And then need to pick a card na ngayon.
Yes, the card.
Okay.
Napagani.
So yun. Yun yung sa akin, guys. Oh, may flowers din to. Perfect. Balance.
Balance. Ay, wait, basahin mo.
Oh, mabasahin ko na. Stargazing. When you gaze at the stars, you give yourself a clearer focus. Your intuition will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation. Wow.
Stargazing na siya. Thank you, May.
Yes.
Ano yun? Yun lang din, copy-paste.
Kami din.
Hello everyone, my name is Kai. What inspires me is, about nature, it really humbles you. So, my favorite part, very quick lang. My favorite part about the nature also is its breeze. I grew up in Jose Abad Santos. It's very just. So, I grew up with farmers, with horses around. So, I wanted to connect myself again to that. So, yes. Yun lang. Solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet times.
Pwede di mag-English.
Pwede.
English. Ay, ako din si Shaira from Jensen. Na-inspire ko. Inspiration? Wala ako information. Karang, ang favorite part na ko sa nature kay ang makikita ko mga animals like mga cats, dogs, Believe in magic. Open your eyes and see the magic that's all around in nature. The fairy of the northern lights say you are part of nature. You are magical too.
Pwede ako pahawak.
Your turn.
Hello, brothers. Ay, wala man palang brother dito. Hello, sisters. Ako pala si Brian, si brother. So, kuha muna ako ng card. What inspires me about nature kay peaceful siya, tapos iba talaga yung frequency ba lalo na pag mag-connect and meditate ka sa nature mo na sige po kung I like to go on solo hiking spot, go in nature, bless kayo.
Yes.
Okay, feel natin. Abundance. Prepare for yourself in coming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have. In fairyland and human land, there is enough abundance for everyone.
Wow.
Dahil ikaw lang nag-iisang lalaki dito, ang tawag ko sa'yo, Boy Abundance.
Mayroon nung Christmas party ko yan, yung abundance. Yun yung agad na isip ko.
Those who don't know, Tara, allergic ka man na? Yes. For those, na baguhan pa or haven't tried cow ceremony, this is an ancient practice by many tribes, and it has the power to open your heart. Okay, so it has the power to open your heart. So what happens is, it's best if we take a cow before we hike. It makes our senses heightened. It makes us even more connected to the present moment. to each other, to everyone around us, to nature. So best shot na i-take ngayon. So, yeah, inviting you all to close your eyes. Ha? Meron. Ay, wait lang. Magkuha lang ako. Blow nyo muna, ha? Ay, medyo, I think mainit pa ba?
Actually, ano ka na, tolerant kong init. Nagagubal na.
Talagang kang init gel. Inom daw lava gel.
I mean, kanang maruya. Asa ako nag-aong-kaon ako, sila kaon, bitaw sila.
Feel the warmth of the cup around your hand. Smell. Now inviting the spirit of Mother Cacao in this space and to work through our hearts, to work with our bodies. May this medicine allow us to go deeper and connect to our emotions, connect to one another, connect to you, Earth Mother.
Kay kana man kung tumari po under na sa amo ang asosasyon, Farmers Association sa tribo. Karon kung pananglitan unsay mahitabo, kinsay matawag ako kay ako'y in charge diha.
So, yeah, kunari, kuntahay kay, sorry lang ha, wala kong, naanad man good mi na, kung maadto may tumari, nami tour guide sa gawa. So, the next time na maadto mi, kinahanglan, asa mi mag-contact sa imo, ha?
O sa kuan na lang man, sa kuan na. O. Maugani nga kung pananglitan nga moadto mo sa sunod, ako nilay kontak ako'y bahala.
Sige po.
Ako'y bahala og tao og ako po'y bahala nga mosipti sa inyong kinabuhi. Kung
Ana, mas maayo kay para kuan jud diri.
ana maugani nga usahay.
Kuhaon na lang nako imong number, ya.
Na wala ba ko'y cellphone
Oo,
ma'am?
sana mo mag-contact sa inyo, haya.
Na. Problema kay wala mangod dito akong apo ba nga tag sa cellphone.
Sige, pagbalik na lang
Oh,
namo.
sige ma'am, sige ma'am.
ha, kay
Oh.
kuan
Oh,
nami
pero
activity dito.
although ma'am ay lang po ninyo sabta nga ako nga saba ko.
Opo.
Basta ang ako lang emphasize diha kaninyo gipasabot kamo para sa inyo po ng
safety
safety.
po. Opo. Sige po. Thank you, ya. Salamat kaayo yan. Appreciate naman yan. Thank you, ya. Thank you, bye. Opo.
Yan, ganda ng view. I think that's still part of Mount Apo. Galing. Bago lang kami pinagalitan ng local. Kasi understand ma rin namin, responsibilidad lagi daw nila pag if ever, may mga disgrasya mangyari dito. Kaya nag-tour lang kami. So pinagsabihan yung tour guide namin na magkuha lagi daw ng local. Galing, ganda ba yun? Wala ng mga tao starting from this trek. Wow, look at that view by Bless. So yan yung road namin, daanan ngayon. Meron ng stream of water. Ulin sila. So kailangan din maglista dire.
Gusto kayong bagsak sa tubig di karon ma'am kay nagbagahapon.
Bless kayo.
Wapo kay natin hindi kay gusto kay tubig ba?
Pero lubog. Dili pa gid lubog. Wala galaw.
Mo ba lang pero kanang maundang nang baha, mobalik na siya.
Nice.
Puti, pero dili gid as ina puti na.
So hapit kami. Naglista na lang dire. Mga pila na lang ka kilometers. 30 minutes more. Okay, medyo layo pa dai. So I think malapit na kami. Nakita ko na yung river. Maingay na. Ayan na banda. Blessed. Ayan. Ayan sila. Wow, blessed.
The color of your love and allow that to expand in this circle to everyone here in this space.
Allow that light to spread. Allow it to expand in all directions.
So hello brothers and sister. So today, nagawa kami ng journaling ng mga groupmates ko and ito yung gilagay ko. The first question was, what are you thankful for the nature that has provided you? And my first answer is, I am thankful for the abundance the nature has provided me, nourishing me with its fruits and vegetable and meat, supported me with shelter, with trees and oxygen. And then number 2 is, what are you wanting to release this 2025? And I said, thoughts of hate, jealousy, anger, negative belief, I release this into nature. And number 3 is, what are your intention and dreams? I said, my intention and dreams is to have a peaceful life, away from harm, away from negativity, and to be fully supported by acting on my highest passion. Nature will show me the way, the peace and harmony, and the reflection of growth and abundance. And then 4 is, the question is, what does nature has reflection? What does it mirror you? I said, it mirrors wildness, authenticity, raw. It deepens by meditating with nature, blessing with abundance. And then after this, we're gonna have to burn one of our paper that we want to release. What I want to release is letting go of judgment, negative judgment, fear of the unknown, scarcity mindset, jealousy, letting go of being fake, and letting go of drama. So this is what I want to release. Go of this judgment, negative, fear of the unknown, scarcity mindset, jealousy, letting go of being fake, letting go of drama. So, ayan na food namin. Alright, bless. Food trip na. Kain tayo. So, we're almost done. Going home na. And ito na yung last part ng falls. River pala. Sister, uwi na kami. Bye-bye.